nothing to do with bling. Unless your handcuffs are extraordinary.
I texted while she's driving.
No texting while driving, bitch. And she looks like she's official turnpike authority or something. Got you on the video. Turn it in to the police. Texas Rangers. Looking out for that shit. Texting while driving. Sexting. While contriving. A new plan. Only to be seen on C-SPAN. After your accident caused so many pain, what did you have to gain? The last thing you texted was, "I think you are sexy." When you have your underwear on, boxers or briefs, it doesn't matter to me, as long as your penis is hidden from us all. You could have been circumcised, and you would have realized your parents did you a favor when you were such a baby, begging for your mother's nipple. Even after you graduated high school, you thought you were so cool. You didn't have a horse, so you climbed on your mule.